Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are printing dollar, Ghana cedis, euro. I hope you are printing everything. So in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down a trade I took yesterday, and that trade ended up running for 7 hours. And if you guys want to know how much I made from this trade P&L, this is basically right here, as you can see. And the trade's still running, by the way. As I'm making this video, I'm still holding some position left from that position. Make sense? Anyway, so I'm going to break down exactly how I was able to catch this trade, and not only that, I'm also gonna teach you guys exactly how you can do to catch the same trade. And this same trade I took, I sent to my VIP Signal group, and my Signal group used to cost $47, but now I'm cutting price down. I'm making it $0. So by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can join my Signal for free as well. Are you excited? Let's get into today's content. I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how I do to catch trades like this, so you can do the same. And by explaining that to you, I'm also gonna break down that trade I took, right? Especially if you want to become profitable, is you should have a set of rules that you have to follow. If you don't have a rule, then you are more likely to fail as well. Very simple. So the first thing I have here is choose a trading pair you want to trade. And for me, I have a rule saying that I'm not trading more than 3 pairs at a time. So right now, as you see me here, I don't trade more than 3 pairs, not more than 3. So the 3 one I chose there, first one is gold, second one is XAUUSD, and the third one is BTC. So BTC, why? Because I mean, sometime on weekend I get bored, so I go and trade BTC. But I mainly trade XAUUSD and gold. Simple. So the less trading pairs you have, the more likely you are going to succeed from trading forex as well. This is one way. Now the second thing is, once you have your trading session, the second thing I'm saying here is that you need a trading session, right? You should know when is the time for you to trade. Are you going to trade in the morning? Are you going to trade in the afternoon? Are you going to trade at night? Very important. So for me, I break down the trading like the time I'm trading based on sessions. So I have London session, which is like in the morning for me, and then I have New York session, which is in the afternoon for me, and I have Asian session, which is in the night, like at night, midnight. So since it's midnight for Asia session, I wouldn't really be awakened to trade midnight. So what I mostly do is I only trade London session and New York session. So basically I trade either in the morning or in the afternoon, or sometimes I trade both morning and afternoon. I usually wake up late in the morning, so I mostly miss morning sessions, so I don't usually trade London sessions, but New York session is the one I trade the most. So what did I teach you? First, choose the trading pairs. I choose EU and gold, BTC, and then the second thing is choose the trading session. I choose London and New York session. Simple. Now the last thing you have to choose is the trading strategy. As stupid as it sounds, but it's very important. You need to choose a trading strategy before you start trading. Before you deposit your money into your broker, right? You need to choose a trading strategy. And for me, I trade liquidity. Okay, I trade liquidity. Sometimes I trade SNR, like support instance. But yeah, liquidity is what I trade the most. And I don't want you to like mix things. Just get one thing that works and focus on it. Don't be using indicators here and then trend line here and then this and that. Just keep one thing and focus on it. You are more likely to succeed that way, right? So now that you know all I do here, now let me break down exactly how I was able to apply everything I said here to be able to catch that trade there. So as you can see, this was a trade I got here on gold and ended up running for 7 hours. And the second thing here is the trading session. Which trading session am I gonna trade? So in this case here, I traded in the afternoon. I got this trade yesterday in the afternoon. So that's New York session, right? I got this trade with New York session. Now that you know the trading pairs and the trading session, now let's get into the strategy. How did I do to catch this trade here, right? So for me, I use liquidity, and let me explain this thing really simple for you guys. Assuming that price is selling, right? So if price is selling to the downside, what price does is every single time price creates a high or a low, that high or low automatically becomes a zone of liquidity. Let me explain it. So you see this high here, this high that price has created right here, this same high is also a high that if someone is looking to sell here, he's gonna put his stop loss above here. So wherever there is a stop loss for price to come and take, that is what liquidity. I hope that get it. So since I know that this high is liquidity, because if price comes, price gonna take that. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be waiting for price to give me a pullback, buy, and then come take this high. Very important, price has to go above that high, meaning that it will take the liquidity, and right after taking that liquidity, then I will be looking to sell to the downside. So I'll be getting a position to sell this way. So this is the kind of sell setup I'm gonna be taking in this case, and I'm showing you guys a sell. So for a buy is the same thing, just opposite, you know. So liquidity has to be spotted, and then you need, if price is bearish, of course you want to be selling. So in this case you have a bearish price action, then you wait for the liquidity to be taken, and you just have to look for an entry and you take it to the downside. Very, very simple. So now let me come on the chart, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did to catch the same trade here. So if I zoom in here, you can see that price went down, and then it gave us a pullback, and then it went down, and then it went up. So what happened here is, let me try to replay price. I think that would make even more sense for you people, right? So if I replay price in here, since price is bearish, right, you can see that price being bearish, and then in this case we saw that price has created this high here. This high here is liquidity that price has created. So if that high is liquidity that price has created, you wait for that high liquidity to be taken. So since that high liquidity is taken, then it's from there that I did what I want to look for my sell setup to the downside. So I look for my sell setup right there, and then my TP, I mean, you can also target opposite side liquidity. Would have taken like this low here, like as TP, but when I send signal, I send a lot of TP. So you choose where you feel comfortable to close all your positions. So in this case, I'm gonna put my TP all the way down here at this line here. So this is pretty much 6 to 7 hours. So this was a sell there, and then price hit TP in 2 days. Price went down, and then that was since yesterday, and today price ended up going for full TP. So as I'm making this video, price end up hitting what, full TP, and that end up running for around 6 to 7 hours. And as I'm making this, as I said, I'm still holding the position. I closed almost everything. I only left 0.1 lot. I mean, why not, you know? So yes, this was really cool, and I was really happy with the result. So this is how I do on daily basis. If I want to trade, I first get the trading session, I get the trading pairs, and then I use my strategy to catch the trade, and that's basically how I do my things, right? So now that you understood this, go and backtest this on your chart, and if you're able to see, then go and practice. Go and, you know, make a demo account and then practice, and if that works as well, then you can make some deposit on a broker, which I recommend Exness to you people, and then you'll be able to, you know, probably do what I'm doing here. So go and practice. Trust me, it takes a little practice, and you'll be able to catch this kind of trades every single time, right? So now that I've explained everything that happened here, the same trade I sent to my VIP signal group to you people, and if you are in my VIP signal, you got the same trade. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'm finally back, you know, full time into trading, and you're gonna get more content like this, more trading content coming on YouTube and across all my social media. So if you want to follow me, feel free to follow me across all my social media here. And yeah, and now the biggest part, which I said I'm reducing the prices of my signal group. I'm not reducing it, but I'm giving you guys the opportunity to join for free. So basically, as this trade here, I even took on my Exness account, which is one of the most recommended, you know, most trusted brokers out there. So if you want to trade with a broker, I'm gonna recommend Exness to you. So check the link below this video. You can sign up to Exness for free. Okay, you are not gonna spend anything. Just go and sign up to Exness, verify your identity, and then you can make some deposit and start trading with Exness. But if you are able to sign up with Exness and trade with Exness, because they have so many advantages, then you can also join my mentorship for free. So everything I've explained to you here, I have a mentorship video that I made myself, explain everything how I did to catch my trade. I explain everything in a video for you guys, and that is part of my mentorship. So you get access to my mentorship, you get access to my signal group, you get access to every single paid content I have for people that are willing to trade with Exness. Yes, you sign up to Exness, you make some deposit, everything using my link. You go to my website XAUUSD.com, and then you submit as, you know, exclusive offer. You will get access to my mentorship and signal for free, right? So yes, this is the least amount of things I can do for you people, making everything for free if you can trade with the right broker, which I'm explaining it to you right now. Go and sign up with Exness. So this would be pretty much it for today's content. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, thank you very much for watching the video, and see you guys on my next trading content. And hopefully I see you guys in my Signal group as well. Bye bye.